Typhon Machinery. Power you can trust.
Every day I come to work, I face different challenges depending on the job site. Tight backyards, narrow paths, slopes. It can be tough.
Every day, operators face different challenges depending on the job site. The Typhon Stomp V900 mini skid steer is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks.
Hi everyone, today I want to talk about how we actually get more work done in a day with the Typhon Stomp V900 mini skid steer. As you can see, this machine is very compact, only 35.9 inches wide and 1.4 tons. What I like is the balance. It travels up to 2.5 miles an hour, climbs slopes up to 25 degrees. The 8.7 gallon fuel tank also lets me work longer.
At only 1.4 tons and 35.9 inches wide, it excels in confined spaces where bigger machines cannot operate. Powered by a reliable Kubota D1105 25 HP engine, it delivers consistent performance throughout the day. With 1,012 pound-force breakout force and a 5.30 cubic foot bucket, it handles digging and loading efficiently. It offers smooth travel, strong 25-degree climbing ability, and responsive hydraulics at 2,321 psi. The 8.7 gallon fuel tank supports longer working hours. This mini skid steer is excellent for landscaping and also well suited for light construction, farming, orchard maintenance, residential projects, and general site cleanup. By the end of the day, many users complete more tasks with greater efficiency, no matter the job.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.